Good morning to everyone. Myself Agita Banu, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, working at Kunganadu College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see the 7th program of Python Programming Laboratory. Let's see. So what is the 7th program? Python program to controlling layout with geometric managers. So geometric manager. So before knowing to about the geometric manager, definitely we should know about the tkinter. So tkinter is the one of the standard Python interface. We are using the somewhat the graphical user interface like that toolkit is a tk. That means tkinter. Okay, it is the most commonly used library to creating the somewhat graphical user interfaces in Python, especially the tkinter geometric control manager. Geometric manager Tinker used to control the placement of layout widgets inside the container, maybe the somewhat the designing the label or window, how the label or table looks like a frame designs like that. Okay, the mainly three main function is there in geometric managers. What are the means? Pack off, grid off, place off. Pack off is nothing, it's going to design a place a widgets one after another, either vertically or the going to design a widgets either left or right like that. Grid is going to design a weight of the widget of the grid or similar table. The specify row, column, how many rows we needed, how many columns we are needed. So like that specifically we want the specific rows and columns, we are using the function of grid of. And place. Place is nothing, the specific coordinates. For some of the graph we are using the coordinates x, y, z like that. So position of widgets at the specific coordinates relative to the container. Okay, these are all the mainly we are using the geometric manager pack of, grid of, place of. The another one main thing tkinter used for our best interfaces in Python. Why there is no need to any specific installation of this interface. Before going to the program, let's run the program. Based on the output will explain. It's very easy to you. Wait. Okay. Okay, run this program. Let's see one window, right? See, this is the output of this program. So first line is we need to import basically the Python. If you are install the Python program, somewhat the default some packages is installed including that Python programming languages like ideally. So first you have to import tkinter as a tk. So while in this entire program we are using tkinter in a short way of tk. First create a main window, root equal tk of tk. The title is geometric manager example. Let's see in output. See, this is the main window, geometric manager example. So create a main window. What is the root? That means root, that's a main thing, that's called as a root equal to tk. Tk is the nothing, tkinter. So we are creating a tk of. Okay, and root title, what are the root title is a geometric example. And second, we are going to pack a frame of pack geometric manager. Pack of this pack is considered the geometric manager. This frame tk is a frame of root of bg, background color. Bg is a background color is white, and fill is a x, pad x is a 10, pad is a 10. Let's see the output. See, label using pack of. like that. So output is white color, right? Root bg is here white, and fill x, the x denote as here this color, and periodic set 10. 10 is the size of the pack. And then next, using the pack label 1, so label 1 using a light blue color we are given. Okay, label 1 tk label of pack frame text label using of pack of background color is light blue given, and pack of side top fill x pad 55, right? Side top and fill f, it will be displayed inside, and fill x pad x 55. Clear? Next, frame of grid. Next, label using grid of, and then background is light gray. Let's see grid. Here inside of grid we are creating the two label. Let's check frame grid of grid frame tk frame of root background color is light gray. Generally we are created, and pack of fill and pdf pack. First one we are creating the pack, right? That pack inside of grid. The label, the grid title is label using grid of light green. So inside of grid we are creating one pack of, inside of the pack of the title is label using grid of. Clear? And then another one grid frame empty, there is no any color, they didn't give any title of this grid. Clear? And row and column height, so two row we are using 0 0 and row 1, column 0 0, because there is no any column. So what are using the grid function using for creating the row and column. Here using the two rows only, the indexing of 0 and 1. Okay. And then place geometric manager light yellow, these are all concerned the same thing. First we are creating the label using pack, right? Like that we are creating the two labels, two square box using the place of function in geometric function, which using the button light coral, this one label using place, right? Button using place, button using place. Finally last one is label using place, the range. So run the main event loop, the root is the main thing and main loop of, what is the main loop? This is the main loop, this thing. So I hope the code is understanding each and every concept, right? So mainly these three functions we are using for controlling layout with geometric manager. These three functions, pack of, grid of and place of. Okay, pack, grid and place of. So these three comes under this single program. This is the output. I hope everyone understand. So like that, these are the Viva question for this topic. So what is the tkinter, how and why used in Python, what are the major function, primary geometric measures in tkinter, what is pack of, grid of, place of. So this is the basic Viva question. Okay, thank you everyone. Let's see the next video.